solve examples. Textbook solve examples related to that. Then always remember that if you have some system in TS, how to convert it, the response function in time, CT. So from CS to CT. So this is, one question will be from here that I will give you. So one question is here related to that. One question will be that I give you a real system in which something is happening. You have seen here, mechanical and modeling here, right? In which, when you model them, there is no other way that you can really get your response function other than by using this theory. One question will be about the stability of system, right? So stability is another important thing, and there are some examples in the textbook, and you will see that stability is something which we have covered. So you have those, and you see if you draw, then draw properly and mark these things, poles and zeros, or wherever they are in imaginary section, this is a imaginary part, which is J, and so on. So make sure that they are stable or they are not stable. But you remember that zeros and poles, really that depends on your ds over ns. No, ns over ds. And you have to make both of them equal to 0 to get this is the characteristic equation, and you get zeros, and you solve them. If you cannot solve them, then you will never be able to find out what the stability is. Then if that is the case, then I gave you some method in which you put your coefficients here, right? And you see the change of sign. And change of sign to plus to minus, it will tell you how is it stable or it's not stable. So first of all, try to find out this equation, the transfer function itself, and then see if you can solve it. If you cannot, then you go back into that criteria and go back to that method where you will be able to really tell without solving it whether the system is stable or not. I have also covered a little bit part of it, that the decay times, the response times in these control systems. And there will be one question for like application of control system. Again, the notes I have given, chapter 3 notes, are important. I will strongly urge you to solve textbook examples, solved examples, solved examples in the textbook. Okay? Solved examples in the textbook. I think that's enough. That's enough for you. One thing is, one announcement is that I will move the project 2 deadline another three days, something like that, maybe. Project 2, because three. Is it 3?
Yeah,
3, project 3. So it will be, what is the date today?
It's due tomorrow, 13.
So 13?
Yeah.
So probably I'll put around, I'll give you a week's type of thing. So Friday is what is the date on Friday?
20?
Yeah, so 20. So 20. So do it. So do it properly. I really want you to do it properly. So you have enough time to do that, right? Yeah. The idea is that you learn. The idea is that you learn and practice. There's no fight of it. If there is a fight between me and you, it's due to the shortage of time. We have to cover, we have to finish. But this week is good for everybody, and people are presenting. Tomorrow there is a senior projects guys are presenting, many people are presenting. And they have presentations in ME120, some of all the classes ME130 and all the projects are due. So I think that is a wise thing to move it for 1 week, so you do it without any pressure and just finish it and submit it. Please write properly. Please submit Excel sheet so I can see the sheet, what you have done. Make it a project, proposal, whatever the objective, methodology, how have you done it, what equations did you use, what results you got, analysis of results, some conclusion. It should be a nice, I don't say write 20 pages report, but covers these things. Whenever you will go after this, you graduate, you go to industry, your manager will say, can you write a report on it? That's the way you have to do it. You can put bibliography there, you can put references. One reference is enough. But at least you should write it, so I should know that you know how to write a reference. Right? So this is what I wanted to cover today. I think it is very helpful what I have done here for your exam and for your overall marks. The people who came late, there is a, actually I should not have done that. You will share with everybody? Okay, so he will share with everybody the marks distribution, how will I give the weight to every section of our book. Okay? And then good luck, and then I think you will be okay. I have a couple of students who I'm afraid will fail, but they don't appear in the class. I don't see their faces. So they are bound to fail. But the people who are here are big fail, because I know who comes every time. And who I see once in a blue moon. Yeah, you see it's a big class. There is 45 students, but I never see 45 here. Yeah. But on the exam day you will see 45. Yeah. But I can tell you who is going to fail. Right there. Because if you don't come, right? The Sahar didn't come for many classes. All right, thank you very much and good luck. Good luck. Thank you.
I repeated my equations, but now I got this
0.0 something. Yeah.
0.00 something.
Yeah, that's fine.
I used equation 6, but it's so small
That's
to put
fine.
it here, but I can here.
No, you can put it here on line 0.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.